Up $848 after the first 30 minutes of the market being open today. Let's see how we did it. And I'm in BYND, filled me that quick. And my Thinkorswim platform is not working. This is not good. Come on, big rip. Big rip. Here we go. Now Thinkorswim is back up. He said, you know what? Boom, boom. Up almost 500 on that trade. Let's go. Took 300 off. I got 200 shares left. All right, I took the rest off there. Kind of stalling out. Sick ass trade on the gap fill we called this morning, pre-market. We had the alert set, came down, filled this gap pre-market right here that we were eyeing. Sick ass trade. I just got in ROKU for this bounce here. Here we go. Pump it, kid. Nice, nice. All right, took 300 shares there. I want a 128.60. I don't know if it's gonna make that or not. I recommend it. Here we go, 128. There's my 128.60 push. We're out up $843. Let's go. Yeah, baby. What's going on, guys? If you want to see more trades like this, head on over to Twitch TV. It's twitch.tv/JTrades. We'll link it down below for you. We trade live 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. market time. Come hang out. #1 free live stream for new traders. All trades made live on stream with a live P&L. We'll see you there.